This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, Broker Bedroom ABR, CRS, EPRO, GRI, RSPS, SFR. Tucked away on a small, quiet cul-de-sac, 8 Balsam Lane is beautifully constructed sun forest home with recent updates. The reverse living floor plan allows for high, vaulted ceilings with skylights and exposed beams in the great room and master suite, plus a view overlooking a private common area towards Mount Bachelor. Over the last few years the decks and roof have been replaced, hardwood floors were installed and the guest baths were updated. Downstairs there is a second master suite, 2 more guest bedrooms and another guest bath, plus a large, comfortable family room with a second river rock fireplace and built-in cabinets. This home lends